This conference will now be recorded.
I have some issue in GoToMeeting link. That's why it's late join. Sorry for that. Okay, let's continue the same topic. Update set. Guys, what we did in last class. So what is the update set? Once again, let me recollecting the things. What is the update set? Update set is a group of changes or customizations. So which will be tracking all the developer changes individually. Why we need to track the changes individually? When you want to move or migrate the changes from one instance to another instance, that case we have to create the like update set. So any customer when they got some requirement from client, first of all they have to create a local update set record. So that is make it current update set. In case if you want to know which update set is going to track your changes, so that is added in application picker in the header. That is called update set picker in the header. So once you made all the changes, so when you think about yes, I have done all changes, then you can navigate it to same local update set record and make it complete. Mark it as complete. When you complete it and update that local update set record, automatically generate one XML file. That XML file we can download it and keep on our desktop. So already I have downloaded and kept on my desktop. So now all the changes are ready to migrate it to target instance. That may be testing or UAT, system integration, and pre-production or production. And we have to follow the same process to migrating the changes to any environment. And one more important thing you should remember, once you exported all the changes into any XML file, ServiceNow platform can be track all the changes in XML format only. Once you exported all the changes into XML file, that XML file like generally like that XML file directly we can like import into target instance. Once you are exported the changes into any XML file, don't make any changes in XML file directly. That is not recommended and not best practice. Okay, the file is ready to the target like a move to target instance. So what about target instance? In the real case, already you have different target instances that may be testing or pre-production or UAT and production. Okay, so in development perspective, I don't have any other instance. Now let me create one more new instance. So these all the changes we have made in change management application, right? Let me open the change management application once again. Open change form. Request by date, change a plan. Okay, so I have implemented these all the things, right? Okay, so now I want to move these all the changes to target instance. So for that, we have to create one more ServiceNow instance. Let us assume that is testing instance. Okay, now let's start create one more account. First of all, let me log out from the existing one.
Srinivas, I'm not able to see the screen. Are you sharing?
I'm not able to see my screen.
Yeah.
Just a second. Now, now okay.
No, because I have rejoined 2 times till now.
Remaining people, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Naresh, I think problem is your side. You
Yes,
can do
sir.
one thing. Please rejoin. Please rejoin once again. Okay.
Okay, to the same link, right? Yesterday's?
Yeah, same link, same 9 a.m. too. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So now I'm going to creating one more ServiceNow account. Before creating one more ServiceNow account, first of all, you should create new account. Srinivas S now triple two. Phone number is optional, not required. And provide date of birth. Agree terms and conditions. What was the wrong? Okay. Gmail account has been created. Then I'm going to creating ServiceNow account. Sign up and start building. And the same details I'm going to provide here. Srinivas, that's now 2230. You please check your email for a link to activate your account. Navigate it to Gmail account. Wait few seconds. Once again, let me refresh the browser. Got it the link. Verify email. Guys, please do remember in outside, like in practice purpose, we don't have any multiple accounts. That's why going to creating an account. Please do remember very important thing. In real case, we did not we don't create any accounts. All the accounts already available. Okay, the setup is completely available in the real-time organization. Okay, so when they have purchased ServiceNow license, so they will get a number of instances according to business requirement. And if your account is now active, please click below to sign in and log in with. credentials 2230. Click on next. And select I need developer oriented ID and select developer design IT admin, agree terms and condition, finish setup. It's going to preparing our instance, new instance. Very simple steps we need to follow to create ServiceNow account. There is no complexity, right? Guys, here we have to remember two things. One is why we need to create a local update set record. Local update set record need to be captured all the developer changes, application level changes, okay, or customization level changes. So those all the changes I want to track it individually. So once you've done all the changes, those changes we can move to like other instances for testing purpose or any other purpose. To moving the changes from one to other instance, so we have to follow the update set. Okay, so already I have done some changes into a developer instance. So this all the changes I have exported to this XML file. Now this XML file is ready to move into my target instance. Now it's going to preparing the instance. Just wait few seconds.
Sir,
Yeah, please.
in real time also we need to create another email ID for updating each set.
Your Sheikh, your name is what is your name? Sheikh, right?
Yes.
Please log in with full name, Sheikh. See, already told you, right? In real case, no need to create any Gmail accounts and any ServiceNow accounts. All the environments, instances are already available in your real-time organization. For practice purpose, I'm going to creating the accounts.
Okay.
So when your client, your business unit purchase ServiceNow license, then they can provide a number of instances as per your requirement. For example, you are purchase ServiceNow license today, and then they can ask in the question how many instances are required to you. You can say 5 instances. They can provide the 5 instances. One is the sandbox, second one is the testing, third one is UAT, fourth one is pre-production, last one is the production. And if you want to more, they can provide the more instances. So everybody they will be able to directly working into that respective instance. But outside only we can create the number of instances for practice purpose. In internal organization, real case, so we're not going to creating any instances and Gmail accounts. Gmail accounts we're using creating the personal developer instance that is called PDI. Okay, just wait. Still it's loading. What happening? I have good network internet connection. Let me log into my instance. developer.servicenow.com 2030 start building. Okay, this is my new instance just I have created. Okay, now my changes are ready to move our target instance. Let's assume the target instance is testing or pre-production. So why we need to move all the changes to testing? Testing team they have to test it out. So what are the changes are made by development department? Those all the changes are working properly or not? This they want to check it out. Okay, for checking purpose, we have to move the changes to target instance. Let me open change management application. It's a new instance, right? Go to create new and all open normal. Just I'm going to open change form. Okay, now number is not read only and start description is not mandatory. Request by also not mandatory. Request by date change plan not available by default and more information section is not available and category I have added one more new category, right? That is called HR. So these all the changes are not available right now. Okay, so what are the changes I have made in my developer instance? Those all the changes I'm going to move to my target instance. How you can move it? And when in which instance you want to move the changes, go to that particular instance, login with the credentials, then navigate to the same application, system update sets, update sets. Okay, in this case, go to retrieve update sets. To tracking all the changes, go to local update set we have to create, and to moving the changes to target instance, you have to navigate for retrieve update set. And that exported file we have to import into target one. Choose your file, and where is my file? September sprint 2021, and click on upload. Right, so successfully I have imported that exported file. Again we'll be able to see total how many changes are happened in my developer instance. So let us assume this is a testing instance. Okay, and a total 13 changes. And the next step is we have to preview the update set. Why we have to preview the update set? So in case all the change, some one of the change, for example, I have made 13 changes in my developer instance. So one of the changes already made before. So I don't want to apply that once again, right? That case I want to find out the duplicates. So in that case we need to check it out. Preview update set. So there we can find out the collisions and a duplicate activity when you are going to perform. The system can be find out the collisions and display to you. So in my in my update set, there are no collisions. Close it. Okay. So total I have inserted 4 and 4 changes are nine changes are just updated and the total I have made 13 changes. In case if you find any collisions in your update set, you will be able to fix it. Then we can run preview again. And in my retrieve update set, I don't have any collisions. I don't have any errors. Directly we can be able to commit update set. So once you committed update set, all the changes can be replicated to my target instance called testing. Wait until complete. Yes, succeeded 100%. Close it. As a developer, first of all, you have to check is all the changes are migrated successfully or not. So navigated to made these all the changes into where go to change management, open change record, change form. Yes, number field is read only, request by It's not mandatory previously, and short description also. Request by date, change plan not available. I have added, and HR category is not available. Clear. More information section also not available, and so I did two more changes, right? Those changes also applied successfully to replicated to my testing environment. Then testing people will be tested out. So all the test cases are passed or not. In case of the test cases are not passed, or so they like the results are they're not expecting like this. Okay, they can get back to the development department. Okay, and one more thing. So I have made these all the changes. Everything is working fine. Okay, let us assume these all the changes I have migrated to production environment. Production is nothing but live. So once you moved these all the changes to target instance, that is called production. After 1 hour, some changes are not working properly. So once the changes are not working properly in production directly, it may impact on the business, right? That's why, as a ServiceNow developer, first of all, we have to back out the changes. So when you are getting some problems from like yesterday night, because I have migrated some changes to target one, right? First of all, you need to back out the changes. Where you can back out in production, right? So already in respect to instance, navigated to same application system update sets and go to local update sets, and which update set you want to back out, and click on back out. Once you back out the changes, okay, it's not replicated to target instance. So the backward process can do a large amount of work cannot be undone. So once you back out the changes, it's not possible to undone. Cannot possible to undone. So again, we need to follow the same procedure. And yes, I want to proceed with backout. Wait until succeeded 100%. Then you can close it. So it is a great facility in update set. So when you want to back out the changes, you will be able to back out the changes immediately. Okay, now let me check in change the management. Go to create new. So all the changes are back out from target instance. Open any change record. All the changes are back out. Guys, any questions up to now? Any questions?
One question, like we have the dev instance and testing and pre-prod and production, right? How they are maintaining that, because this is the cloud one, right? So instances will be, so for example, for this particular developer, then this is the same URL, right? From the testing person, how, I mean, how they are differentiating the instances, that I am little confused.
No, Hemant. For example, our business unit is Benj. Our client is Benj. Okay. When Benj client is purchase ServiceNow license, okay, the ServiceNow company will be asked immediately how many instances are required for your business unit. So Benji is saying, I need like a 5 instances. Again, they're asking the one more question. So what are the instances names? Sandbox kind of development instance. Another one is a testing one. Third one is a like a UAT. Fourth one is pre-production. Finally, production. 5 instances, right? But in real case, so ServiceNow company will be create 5 instances. Those all the instances they can provide it to the bench. Okay. So we have to using the that URL. So in real case URL, it's not like that. It's not following any ID. So dev bench.servicenow.com, bench.servicenow.com, pre-production bench.servicenow.com, UAT bench.servicenow.com, production bench.servicenow.com. They can create 5 instances for your bench like a business unit. So everybody they have to use the respective instance. ServiceNow developers and administrators they can using that sandbox, and the testing department they can using the testing, and another testing department they will using the UAT, and the pre-production they can using by the clients, and production all customers. Say like live. Okay, Aman?
Yes, yeah, I am clear now. Thank you.
Okay. And please do remember, guys, in real case, okay, we can't create any single account. This setup is already available. Directly, you can working on your instances for only understanding purpose and practice purpose. Going to creating multiple accounts and showing it. Okay, how we can migrate the changes to one environment to another environment. Next one, let's talk about merging update set. So what about merge update set? When you want to merge more than one update set into single update set, that is called merge update set. For example, developer A, developer B, developer 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 B. Let assume developer A is system administrator, developer B is front ready. System administrator, front ready, both are working in the same project. Developer A and developer B. Okay. And developer A, system administrator, developer B, front ready. They got some requirement from client. Okay. So developer A got some requirement on incident table. The requirement is need to add one choice into category field. The table is incident, and another developer got another requirement, but that is in problem management. Same, need to add one more into category field. Category field is the common for incident and the problem. Incident category is different, problem category is different, I think. Okay. And the next one, this requirement is given on problem. Okay. You tell me, guys. So system administrator is developer A. Let's assume developer B is front ready. So developer A, system administrator need to make some changes. Developer B, front need to make some changes into problem. So first of all, we need to make some changes behalf of system administrator. The requirement is you need to add one choice into category field. You tell me, guys, how can you do it? You tell me. First of all, what they have to do. System administrator already logged in instance, right? Now tell me what we need to do. Tell me, guys, first of all, everybody have to create a local update set record, right? So system administrator got some requirement, is going to implementing the changes into developer instance. Okay, let us assume. And creating one local update set record. Category choice into the incident. And please do remember very important thing, guys. While providing the name of your update set, in internal organization, they're following the one format. So when you join into any project, they can say you that the format. So what they're following in existing project, that code and name standards we have to follow while providing any while creating any local update set record. We have to follow the naming standards. So what are the naming standards they are following? Same naming standards we need to follow. Okay. And status is in progress by default. Parent is not required. Let's assume I'm going to move these all the changes 19th of September, and a description we can provide it and submit and make it current update set. This administrator just they want to know which update set is going to track my changes. Very simple. Navigate it to gear icon, developer. Just you can enable the update set picker in the header. So category choice something. This update set is going to track my changes. Once you confirm it, then only we can implement the changes. Okay. Then you can navigate it to incident table. And do you know how to create the changes? How to create the add the choices? Right click, right click, and choices. And create one more choice. Simple choice is HR. Okay. So this choice has been created. Okay. Clear guys? And the next requirement is, and one more requirement is given to Fredlady. Okay, Fredlady is one more ServiceNow developer. Okay, so the requirement is got on which table? Problem table. So behalf of Fredlady, I'm going to impersonate. Fredlady have to log in with his credentials into ServiceNow developer instance or sandbox. Fredlady also one more ServiceNow developer, right? He got some requirement. So once you got the requirement from client, don't implement those changes into the instance directly. It's not recommended. Every ServiceNow or individual developer, they have to maintain the own local update set. And the Fredlady also have to create the local update set record. Go to system update sets and the local update set. Every ServiceNow developer will be able to see all the update sets. And now going to create my update set is category choice in problem. Okay. You can follow the naming standards according to your business, like a business unit, and make it current update set. Release date is 19th. Both developers they have released. Okay. And Freddy want to make it like first Freddy want to also want to check it developer and shop update set picker and the header, right? So this category choice problem update set is going to track in the Freddy changes. Category choice into incident table update set is going to tracking administrator changes. And both these changes have to release when they have to release these other changes tomorrow. For tomorrow, system administrator is not available, is in vacation, is in holiday. Tomorrow, system administrator is not available to migrating these changes to target instance. That case, so Fedler is going to take the initiation, okay, initiate, and he is going to merging this all the update sets into single update set. So why when we can update limits the one update set into multiple update sets, more than two update sets. So one update set is created by Fedlady, another update set is created by administrator. So both are made only single changes. I don't want move this all the update sets like individually because small changes, right? So now I want to merge these all the update set into single update set. How can you merge multi like this all the update set into single one? Go to merge update set. So every ServiceNow developer will be able to this all update set into single update set. Click on merge update set. The system is asking so which update sets you want to merge, and go to all. Just you can apply the condition. They are following the naming standards, right? So which update sets you want to merge? X. These two update sets I want to merge. So I have selected two update sets and I click on merge it. That's why naming standards are very important while creating the update set. So when you merge these all the update set into single update set, automatically create the merged update set. So provide the name of this one spread and system administrator. Yes, you can provide any name. Don't make it as plus major update set. We can see all the details. When you open this merged update set, total how many update sets are merged into this local update like this update set. One is the category choice problem, category choice incident. I have merged these two update sets into this update set. Okay, so total how many updates are happened like incident category. Okay, another one is not right. Actually, I think choice is not created in the problem, right? Navigate this one, current which one, Flood ready customer updates nothing. So you have to make some changes. Problem need to create HR and save it. Okay, and go to system update set. Flood ready want to check how many updates are like happened in this local update set. Only one. So now again I want to merge these two update sets. So let me delete this one. And now I'm going to merging. So these all update sets, these two, and apply the condition. Category merge. So while merging that, new merged update and system administrator. So new update set has been created, right? When you open this update set, okay, this is a major update set. I don't want to move each update set individually because system administrator is not available to migrate these other changes to production because he's in leave. Behalf of that person, I'm going to merging into single update set. Okay, so total major two update sets, and now why it is showing the only problem in this merged update set we have to see two, right? So in progress, one is done by the fraternity, another one is done by administrator, but it's tracking only one, right? Okay. Anyway, so it will be tracking both. So now status in progress. So when you merge multiple update set into single one, so that major update set we have to complete it. Okay. Then save it and automatically generate the XML file. We have to export that XML file and go to the show in folder, take this update set and keep on desktop. So that major update set we can move to target instance following the same process. Navigate it to target instance, open the system update set application and open return update set and export file. You can import into target one, preview update set and commit it. You have to follow the same process. So this is about merging more than one update set into single update set. That merged update set I can move to target list in single time. Clear, clear guys? Clear? Any questions up to now? So first of all, developer you have to create a local update set, then need to make some changes. Once you think about yes, I have done the changes, then you can don't complete the local update set, keep it as it is. So again, you can navigate to front ready and create one more choice into the problem table and keep it as it is. Okay, I don't want complete these all the update set individually. So I want to merge these two update sets into a single update set. That update set I want to complete and target it to target instance. Any questions, guys, up to now? All right. So update set is not completed. Tomorrow also we'll continue the same topic. So what are the precautions we have to take it? And what about that batch update set? When we can go for the batch update set? And the remaining things we can discuss on tomorrow. Thanks for your time. See you tomorrow.